Hi, this is Brian Tarbert with TCS, and welcome to this Ubiquity Tech Tip video on Ubiquistat programming. In this video, we'll show you how you can temporarily adjust the Ubiquistats set points using the Ubiquity software, and then also how to program the Ubiquistats user set point adjust so you can control just how much temporary set point adjustment you're providing to the building occupants. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and click on one of the icons. And you can see here it opens up the monitoring page then on the controller tab. So from here you've got a number of different tabs inside that, and one of them is adjust temperature. Now you won't see this tab if you don't have the authority to be able to do this, and that's all done through these superstrator functions of assigning different functionality to each user. So since I've got that, we're going to use it. So we go to adjust temperature, and from here I can raise or I can lower the set point by the number of degrees that I'm allowed. And you can see how that it is now taking that adjustment for 2 hours. Now what that's done is it's raised both the heating and cooling set points up by 2 degrees. So how does all that program? Well, we go to the program button right here. And from here, we've got this Ubiquity specific functions, Ubiquity set point adjustment. That's where this is all enabled and programmed. So we can either enable or disable that function here. The shift allowance means how many degrees are you giving the Ubiquity user to make that temporary adjustment, and what's the duration of that adjustment. And if you do permanent, it's going to stay that way all the time until you go back and adjust it down. So in this particular case, which is the default, we give the Ubiquity user 5 degrees and it'll last for 120 minutes or 2 hours. Now, the other thing that you can do is the user set point adjustment. This is the actual adjustment on the thermostat itself. How many degrees are you giving the user in the building, the occupant in the building, the ability to raise and lower the set points? So in this particular case, we've programmed them so that they can raise or lower those set points by up to 2 degrees. And we've also used this timer mode. So in the timer mode, what will happen is after this time is expired, the user set point adjust timeout, after 2 hours, it will then return to its normal set points. In this case, if it's occupied, 70 and 75. Or if you have it in the hold position, it will stay that way until somebody either goes to the thermostats and readjusts it, or until the occupancy states change, goes from the unoccupied and then back to the occupied mode. So those are the two different temporary adjustments we can do. It's a great tool so that you don't have to go in and adjust the actual set points and then remember to go back and adjust those again. It's a great tool for that. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our TCS YouTube channel, and remember to check back for more in-depth Ubiquity Tech Tip videos.